Криминалните структури се секогаш чекор пред државата, без оглед дали се работи за организиран криминал, трговија со луѓе, трговија со оружје и легална миграција. Во таа насока, колку е битно регионалното поврзување во борбата против тој организиран криминал и колку и каков е успехот на македонската полиција во таа насока?
Cooperation between regions in the fight against organized crime is of key importance, because you can only break a criminal network if you have a good police cooperation network. That is why I am here. For us, the Western Balkan region is of key importance to cooperate with. We have, with all the Western Balkan countries, operational agreements, so we can closely work together to tackle organized crime and to fight terrorism. And related to Northern Macedonia was the first country in the region with whom Europol concluded an operational agreement in 2012. And since 2015, we have liaison officers from Northern Macedonia in the headquarters of Europol. So the cooperation is very good on an operational level. We have direct interaction with the Northern Macedonian police services. We have the people from the police in our office, and we work on different cases in different crime areas together, and we obtain good results.
Заканите од криминалните групи се асиметрични, безбедносни прашања, динамични и секогаш напредни. Во таа насока некогаш се појавуваат и такви на кои што не може во моментот да им се даде соодветен одговор. Министерството за внатрешни работи на Република Северна Македонија во изминатиот период успеа да пресече неколку такви меѓународни организирани криминални групи. Како ја оценувате работата на Македонското Министерство за внатрешни работи?
With the Macedonian police, we look at the possibilities, which are the big cases in which we need to work together. For instance, we have good cooperation in environmental crime, maritime pollution, for instance. We had a very big operation in that one. We also have a good cooperation with North Macedonia related to migrant smuggling, because of your geographical position here in the region. You are of key importance, so they use this as a transit area, and migrants, illegal migration is often used by organized crime groups. I had the opportunity yesterday to discuss with the chief of the police here in Northern Macedonia, and today with the Minister of Interior. The investment we make at Europol, and that is also made by the Macedonian police, is to invest and to investigate more in economic and financial crime, because you have to go after the money of the criminal organizations to be able to dismantle them. So that is where we need to have supplementary efforts, and we will do so. And also related to cybercrime, we have to update ourselves and our capabilities all the time, because as you know, a lot of new solutions are also used by criminals. Encryption, for instance, encrypted communication is very difficult for police officers to tackle that. So that is also an area where we need to step up.
Колку мигрантската криза, кога територијата на Република Северна Македонија беше една од рутите низ која минуваа мигрантите во западните држави, ги отвори можностите за екстремизам, за насилен криминал и за сите видови и облици меѓу кои трговијата со луѓе во нашата земја.
Yes, we have a close cooperation with Northern Macedonia, as I said, related to migrant smuggling. We had a good case, for instance, cooperation between Northern Macedonia, Greece, supported by Europol, where Cuban migrants were helped to get through the country to the European Union. They make a lot of the time use of falsified documents, so that's also a big area to investigate, and that is what we do. Related to terrorism, we also have some good support from Northern Macedonia, but it's not always linked, it's a separate item.
Од формално правен аспект постојат сите предуслови за брза размена на информации во врска со борбата против организираниот криминал. Меѓутоа, во праксата честопати се јавуваат такви пречки кои што се непремостливи, да речиме, а представуваат закана не само за Република Северна Македонија, туку и за регионот, а и пошироко во светот.
People who want to hide have possibilities to hide, and it's difficult for law enforcement to find them. That's why also international cooperation is key. Exchange of information bilaterally with sister police offices, with Europol, with Interpol. Everybody has a team that is looking for people that try to escape justice. And on an international level, that is where we need to cooperate. We have, for instance, at Europol, the EU most wanted list. Each country puts a high-level criminal, a fugitive, on that list, and then together, and with the help of the public, it's a kind of crowdsourcing we do, we try to find them. And we have a lot of successes, but of course it's not always easy.
Министерството за внатрешни работи има издадено повеќе од 100 меѓународни потерници за лица кои што се бараат по разни основи, меѓутоа сите се тие во врска со некаков вид криминал. Зошто е толку тешко да се пронајдат таквите лица во овој современ свет на комуникации, на размена на информации?
The Macedonian police is very active and is becoming every year even more active in common European projects like Impact. It's related to all the crime areas you mentioned. And North Macedonia is also very active in joint action days. So that are actions that are organized, European Union, Western Balkans, and together on one day we have a big action where we look after, for instance, weapons, where all the member states and the partner countries together have specific goals to achieve. Northern Macedonia is very active in that. We have also a lot of innovative tools at Europol, and when Macedonia is having investigations with other countries and Europol can support, you can also use, for instance, the decryption platform that we have in Italy to help in the investigation. We have forensic support teams that can help your investigators. So we see that Northern Macedonia is doing everything to protect the people here in the country, and we are proud that we can help in that endeavor, and that we are trusted by the Macedonian police to help them in that.
Какви се можностите за поголемо учество на представници од Министерството за внатрешни работи во проекти каде што веќе постојат развиени алатки во борбата против организираниот криминал во животната средина, финансиски, економски криминал, криминалот и трговијата со оружје и така натаму?
The Macedonian police is already on a very high level in cooperation with Europol, and now we have to set the next steps, to take the next steps, and we have to go after the money of the criminal organizations.